Hi, everyone. I'm Mr. Paine. I teach sixth grade English language arts at Lyman Moore Middle School. And this is just a little intro video so you can get to know me. I guess starting professionally, before I came to Moore, I spent 3 years as a seventh grade English language arts teacher at Coney Middle School in Augusta, Maine. Before that, I was in a master's program, getting my master's in teaching in southern New Hampshire while I lived in Vermont. And then before that, I spent a long time, over a decade, coaching various sports. So I've been working with kids, teaching kids how to do stuff for uh, well over half my life. So um, even if it wasn't middle school English, I've been teaching kids for a long time. And then just some personal stuff about me, so you get to know me a little bit better. Um, uh, as I mentioned, um, I used to live in Vermont. I went to college at the University of Vermont, um, and that's sort of where I picked up a lot of the academic skills and habits and the academic mindset in college up there. I also picked up a little bit of skiing, and that led me out to Colorado. So I lived in Steamboat Springs for a couple of years, teaching skiing out there, and that was a really wonderful experience. Nice to see how the other side of the country lives, um, and experience some skiing on the other side of the Rockies. And then I have some roots in Maine as well. I live in Portland right now. I own a house in the Riverton area, and so I've picked up some interests in homeowner stuff. I enjoy building cabinets and shelves and countertops, and I do a little bit of house painting as well, as some of my summer work. And then originally I'm from Mount Desert Island, Maine. I grew up there, went to elementary school and high school on the island, and that's where I picked up some of my nautical habits. I'm a sailor, and as a sailing coach, I did a lot of driving powerboats around and fixing powerboats as well. So doing fiberglass work and then also engine work on boats, and then being out in boats, sailing them around. So got a lot of boat stuff in my life as well. And yeah, so that's just a little introduction to me as a person, and then also as a professional teacher. That's where I come from. So, any questions? If you just want to chat, please get in touch.